Hello, good morning. I'm your new ma'am, Goldie Jane. How are you all? Hope you are all fine and safe at home. Children, can you imagine all the things around you without colors? No. Why? Children, you know why? Because colors are very important in our life. They add beauty and fun to our life. So today we are going to learn about various colors in numeracy space. This is red color, children. Now we will see things of red color. Apple, red rose, fire engine, strawberry, pomegranate. This is yellow color. Children, now we will see things of yellow color. Corn, lemon, bananas, duck. Your school bus is also yellow in color. This is green color. Children, now we will see things of green color. Lady's fingers. Grass is green. Leaves are green. Capsicum. Blue color. Children, now we will see things of blue color. Butterfly is blue. This is blue pen. Blue whale. Black color. Children, now let's have a look at black things. Black cat, crow, black hair, black hat. This is white color. Now let's do things of white color. Milk, garlic, polar bear, snowman. Now children, we will enjoy a wonderful song about various colors.
Red, red all around. So many places where red is found. Roses, apples and red cherries. Chilies, jams and strawberries. Yellow, yellow all around. So many places where yellow is found. Banana, pineapple and mango. Even my school bus is yellow. Blue, blue all around. So many places where blue is found. Blueberries and the blue, blue sky. Bluebells and a blue butterfly. Green, green all around. So many places where green is found. Grapes, capsicum and chili. Cabbage, green peas and broccoli.
Children, Enjoyed singing the color song? Now let's play the memory game of colors. See the video carefully and then answer the quiz. Get ready. What's this, children? It's an apple. And what is the color? Red. This is lady's finger and color is green. It is banana and the color is yellow. What is this, children? A cat. And what is the color? It is a black cat. Now this is cloud. And what is the color? It is blue. Cloud. Children, what's this? It's an apple. What color is the apple? The apple is red. What's this? It's a banana. And what color is the banana? The banana is yellow. What's this? It's a lady finger. What color is the lady finger? The lady finger is green. What's this, children? It's a cat. What is the color of cat? The cat is black. What's this, children? It's a cloud. What color is the cloud? The cloud is blue. Children, tired, getting bored of sitting at one place? Get up, dance, do some exercise and have fun with this song. Come on, have a nice day. Bye.
Rock your body to the colors you see. Shake your head to the color red. Twist your shoes to the color blue. Wiggle like jello to the color yellow. Make your body lean to the color green. Rock your body to the colors. Rock your body to the colors you see. Touch your back to the color black. Judge to the right to the color white. Rock your body to the colors. Rock your body to the colors you see. The colors. Rock your body to the colors you see.